If you plan on traveling Greece and visiting Paros during your Greek vacation getaway, then this ultimate guide to the best beaches in Paros is for you. This Greek island offers some of the most beautiful beaches in Greece, and today I will share with you which of them is definitely worth a visit. The first on my list, without a doubt, is Kolymbithres Beach. Not only it's considered one of the most famous beaches of Paros, but also one of the most beautiful Greece beaches. Located in the Bay of Naousa, it's particularly impressive thanks to the huge blocks of granite sculpted into strange smooth shapes by the sea and wind over the centuries. Something that you absolutely have to see with your own eyes. The beach offers sunbeds and umbrellas, and a few tavernas and bars can be found along the road leading to the beach. If you're coming to Greece in the summer, Kolymbithres is definitely the place to visit and enjoy. Fabulous people! Is this a paradise or what? Are you kidding me right now? The next on my list is Santa Maria Beach, one of locals' favorites. It's divided into two soft, golden, sandy beaches with crystal emerald waters and a view of Naxos Island. Santa Maria is fully organized with sunbeds, umbrellas, and water sports facilities for windsurfing, scuba diving, and paddleboarding, which I was so excited to try for the first time. Coming to you at number 3, in no particular order, is Monastiri Beach. It lies in the Aegean Ioannis Bay, and with its beautiful sandy beach and crystalline waters, it's a playground for mega yachts on this stunning Greek island. The water on this beach stays at a waist level for good 100 meters, and therefore it's a perfect beach for families with kids. In addition, Monastiri offers a great opportunity for snorkeling and other sports activities. Sunbeds and umbrellas can be rented from a beautiful taverna overlooking the beach, where you can also enjoy some refreshing drinks and delicious seafood. The next beach on my Paros Greece travel guide list is a golden beach. Located south of Parikia, it's considered one of the best beaches in Paros. Golden Beach is a long sandy beach, famous for its ideal wind conditions. In fact, every August, the Professional Windsurfing World Cup is organized here, gathering windsurfing celebrities from around the world. Golden Beach is fully organized, offering plenty of sunbeds, windsurfing facilities, and small restaurants, which are so perfect for delicious lunch and refreshing beer after a long day on the beach. And finally, Prosperous Beach. It's located south of Parikia, the capital of Paros. Parasporos is a large beach with emerald waters and golden sand. The vibe here was just so calm and relaxing, I couldn't pull myself out of the water and then took the longest nap. Parasporos is also fully organized with sunbeds, umbrellas, and a couple of restaurants right on the beach. If you decide to have lunch at the Parasporos restaurant, I strongly recommend you to try the traditional fish of Paros, recommended by the owner of the restaurant. Its flavor will blow your mind. And as a bonus, I'm going to share with you my favorite beach on Antiparos Island, which is only a 7-minute ferry ride from Paros. Prosperous Beach is a large sandy beach with pine pebbles located on the southern side of Antiparos Island. Surrounded by lavish greenery and crystal clear waters, Soros offers sunbeds, umbrellas, and fresh food and drinks delivered straight to you, accompanied by some of the best customer service I witnessed in Greece. I spent the entire day on this stunning beach and still wished I could return for more. If you are curious what Antiparos Island is like and if it's worth a visit, definitely check out my Antiparos travel guide. No matter which beach in Greece you'll choose to visit, you are guaranteed breathtaking landscape, crystal clear waters, and unique beach vibe. I personally never visited a beach in Greece that I didn't enjoy. Please remember to press that like button before you go and start planning your Greek vacation. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing for weekly tips, tricks, and inspiration from around the world. The biggest kiss from Greek islands.